The final walkthrough is your absolute last chance to verify that the home is in the exact same condition as when you originally made your offer. You should never rush through this process because once you sign the closing papers, any new damage becomes your expensive financial problem to solve. Check every single faucet and toilet to ensure that the previous owners didn't cause a hidden leak while they were moving their heavy furniture out. Turn the HVAC system on to confirm that both the heating and cooling are functioning perfectly regardless of what the outside temperature happens to be. Inspect the walls and floors for fresh holes or deep gouges that might have been hidden behind large paintings or area rugs during your initial tours. Verify that all the agreed-upon repairs from your inspection period have actually been completed, and that the sellers have provided the official receipts. Ensure that all the appliances, light fixtures, and window treatments that were included in the contract are still physically present in the house. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our final walkthrough cheat sheet and make sure you don't miss a single red flag before you head to the closing table.